Hello, everyone. Welcome again to your classroom for mental and manual experiment. My name is JK Anand, and today with me is my good friend Abigail. Abigail will help me in today's experiment, and it's a mental experiment. This means that we're going to solve a puzzle of some kind. Okay. Now, what are triangular numbers? They are numbers that form the shape of a triangle when arranged. Examples are what, Abigail?
3.
3 is 1, 5, and 10. So I have 10 coins with me. That is the height of our Ghanaian economy. I'm going to arrange it to form a triangle. Okay. So this is the base of the triangle pointing to the east or to the north in your position. Your challenge is to move 3 coins to have the position of the triangle reversed. Okay, so that instead of pointing to the north, it will point to the south. Okay, let's go ahead. 3.
No.
Okay, this looks like a very nice design, but definitely not. Yeah. Okay, that is 1. That is 2. And then, this looks like a shape I can't describe. Okay, so let's reset it. Okay, broken. Okay, that is 1. That is 2.
No.
1.
I'll go back.
Okay, you can try as much as you want.
Okay.
But if you're tired, you can call for the answer. Okay? Okay, that is 1.
Can I push it forward?
Oh, okay, so that is 2.
Yes.
And that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you push 6 already.
Okay.
2.
Only 3 times.
Okay, 3.
Okay. I can pick from there.
You can pick from anywhere.
Okay.
Just that it should still maintain the shape of a triangle. It looks like impossible.
Yes. Last try.
Last try.
Yes.
You can try more if you want to.
Okay.
So that's 1. That is 2.
It is impossible.
Impossible challenge indeed. Wow. Okay. Now, this is a puzzle that you can set to stimulate your friend in the class, okay? Right. Teacher is not in, you're in the house, among your friends and relatives. You can set this challenge to bring people together, okay? Okay. It's looking impossible, but it's possible. Your first attempt was a bit puzzling, and I was a little bit scared that you are solving this puzzle within the next 2 seconds. Okay, so the first one is to actually move this one and bring it over here. So that's our first move, okay? The other move is to bring this over here. Then the third move is to bring this little coin to this side. And then the puzzle is solved. Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah. So thank you very much for joining me today. And thank you also for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and see you again in the next class.